namaste, ladies and gentlemen, and a very warm welcome to the most epic awards night of all times. NDTV and Who's That 360 present Who's Next Influencer Awards 2023. Can we have a big round of applause, please? This is a one-of-its-kind initiative brought to you by special partner Conquer, home appliances partner Panasonic, partner Trigo, marketing partner Social Wains, energy drink partner Hustle, gifting partner Rika X Mr. Barber, Veramodo, Jack Jones, and supported by Invincible. So, welcome.
Welcome everyone, and like our dear friend Ankit sitting right here would say, Ram Ram Bhai Saria ne. It's a great evening. It is going to be a lot of excitement in this show
and
that
I think we should
putting.
introduce ourselves, right?
Absolutely.
Because we know everyone in the house here.
Absolutely.
These are, like, everyone here is like the who's and what of the social media world.
The
And I'm
bigwigs.
Pooja Yadav Kef, and this is...
And I'm Usama Shab, and we are here to entertain you, present this special awards, Who's Next 2023.
It's
And,
great to have Osama next to me, of course. You
and-
know him from NDTV. He's a very popular face, known for all his sports commentaries. And usually, you are the ones entertaining us. Thank you so much for that. A big round of applause for all of you. Thank you.
Are you guys ready to have fun? Let's get
this
the party started.
Well, without further ado, we have someone very handsome, young, dynamic, and dashing in the house. None other than Mr. Vaibhav Sehgal, CEO of Red Pixel Ventures Limited and founder of Who's That 360 and Who's Next to tell us more about this event. Welcome, Vaibhav. We look forward to hearing from you.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the first edition of NDTV Who's Next Influencer Awards. Today, we celebrate not only the top content creators in our country, but also the winners of the just concluded National Talent Hunt. Content creation has created a wonderful opportunity for all to do what they love to do, what they have always wanted to do. It has created a new profession and leveled the playing field for everyone. You can be of any age, any gender, any ethnicity. Pick up a topic of your choice and start creating content, any place, anytime. You are no longer going to be judged on the basis of just an interview or your CV or your language. That's a fabulous revolution. Let's celebrate this together. Before I throw the night open, I would like to talk about Who's That 360. We started this to create content about the content creators. There are many influencer marketing companies out there, but not any credible influencer content portal. We also intend to collaborate with many of you to do masterclasses, master workshops, and reality TV shows. The biggest of them all, we intend to start world's first influencer university. Just like you study to be a doctor or an engineer, you will be able to study to be a content creator. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vaibhav. And you know, even if it wasn't there in the script, I would have used the same adjectives. We have to start with a big round of applause for all of you. You're all winners. You look amazing. Everything that you do on a daily basis is amazing. So without any further delay, let's move on. Please join me in welcoming a very popular personality, a very popular face, Mr. Gaurav Chaudhary, popularly known as Technical Guruji. Auto Influencer of the Year 2023, and let's have a look at the nominations.
First, we definitely have a motor, and for good cars, we need high octane fuel as well. So the winner is Motor Octane.
Let's make some noise, ladies and gentlemen, our winner of Auto Influencer of the Year 2023. Motor Octane. I think we can do better. Let's keep that energy coming. We're now coming to the Tech Influencer of the Year 2023.
Devinder and Kapil from B-Bomb.
B-Bomb it is, ladies and gentlemen. Tech Influencer of the Year 2023. Woohoo! So let's check out the nominations for Gaming Influencer of the Year 2023. A look at the nominees first.
And the winner is Gamer Fleet Anshu Best.
on to our next category. It's Game Changer of the Year.
Ram Bhai Saryan hai. Mr. Ankit Bayanpuria.
The global face of India, ladies and gentlemen. So to do the honors, let me please call upon Mr. Senthil. Ladies and gentlemen, global face of India.
Okay.
Mr. Gaurav Chaudhary, a technical Guruji. Woo!
The global face of India. Congratulations, Gaurav.
For our next segment, it's my privilege to invite Mr. Dheeraj Sharma, Head of Marketing and Brand, Panasonic Life Solutions, to present the next set of awards. Welcome, sir. Can we have the nominations for Parenting Expert of the Year 2023, please?
The award goes to Anupama Kumar.
Anupa Kumar, ladies and gentlemen. So this is India, right? What is India known for? Yes, it's known for dance and song, but it's also known for food. Food Influencer of the Year. We have so many cultures, so many types of cuisines. So let's find out who is going to bag this award. Let's have a look at the nominations.
Yeah, so the Food Influencer of the Year award goes to Master Tikku.
Mr. Tikku, woohoo! Come on, make some noise! Party in the house, yay! Congratulations. Next one, really a category which is close to my heart again. It flows from the parenting one. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mom Blogger of the Year. Now we know it, right? We all know it. This is a huge category. There's a huge mom community and they make such a major impact on all our lives.
Okay, so the Mom Blogger of the Year award goes to
Yes.
Harpreet
Suri.
Show some love to Harpreet Suri in the house, bagging Mom Blogger of the Year.
The next set of awards, ladies and gentlemen, is for the Photographer of the Year, for someone who has created a niche for himself or herself in the digital world. Let's please, what's the nominees for this one?
So that's quite a power-packed list, huh? So the PAP of the Year award goes to Mr. Varinder Chawla. Congratulations.
Moving on, I'd like to invite Mr. Sunny Bansal on stage, the co-founder Trigo, to give the award to the Creative Influencer of the Year.
Crafter Aditi.
Guys, let's have a huge round of applause for Aditi, please.
This is my first one and it's special. Thank you.
In Care Influencer of the Year, Sunjay Malia, Longe Kumar.
All the way from Nagaland, Sunjam Leela. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Our next category is Lifestyle Influencer of the Year 2023 and, in fact, the Beauty Influencer of the Year. And our nominations are
Here's the Beauty Influencer of the Year. And of course, I've worked with her in the past at Panasonic and other places as well. Happy to have none other than Guneet Virdi on stage.
Financial Influencer of the Year, ladies and gentlemen. A big round of applause.
Very proud to announce that the name is a woman, and that's Neha Nagar.
Neha Nagar, ladies and gentlemen. A big round of applause. Congratulations. Thank you so much.
नेक्स्ट ये वो हैं जिनको हम ग्लोबल स्टेज पर देखते हैं और इन्होंने इंडिया का नाम और रोशन किया है अपने काम से. द नेक्स्ट सेट ऑफ अवार्ड इज इंटरनेशनल इन्फ्लुएंसर ऑफ द ईयर.
A huge thank you to WhoSat 360 NDTV for awarding me the International Influencer of the Year in the Who's Next 2023 Awards. Couldn't have asked for a better end to the year. Thank you so much.
Well, it was Masoom who is the winner for the International Influencer of the Year. Thank you very much. Well, today's awards are a culmination of Who's Next 2023 National Talent Hunt 2023, which has taken the internet by a storm. As influencers from different facets of life, from music, dance, fashion and lifestyle, to tech and science, gaming news and journalism came forward to showcase their best creative act.
I have to say that the entries that came in were as diverse as our influencers themselves. I mean, the moves and the grooves, really, that would make TikTok dancers say like, wow. And let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, that we received an overwhelming 10,000 entries. A big round of applause, 10,000 plus entries, in fact. And of course, the real hard work was done by our esteemed jury members who had to go through rounds and rounds of scrutiny and finally selected the winners in every category. So, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our esteemed jury as we invite them to the stage. All the hard work. That was good, right? Rounds and rounds of scrutiny. So let's share that with our audience. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let's find out the winning entries of the National Talent Hunt. And they are, I'd like to call Rajat Kapoor to the stage, requesting Seema Puri to present the award. Let's show them love and let's keep that applause coming, ladies and gentlemen. Rajat Kapoor.
Congratulations, Rajat.
And let's have a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. 10,000 plus entries and whittled down to the top 10. And our first awardee this evening, Rajat Kapoor. Would you like to do the honors for the next?
Yes, absolutely. I would request Seema Puri ji to please present the award to Aman Bish.
And no, he's never been to the gym. All body weight. This gives us some hope. Woo! Oh my God! Woo-hoo! Oh! Oh my God! That is the coolest stuff this stage will witness tonight. Wow. Oh my God! Woo! Ladies, come on. Ladies and gentlemen, especially
Incredible.
ladies.
Absolutely incredible.
Oh my God!
Well, I would request Gaurav Chaudhary to give this award to Simarjeet Singh.
Mr. Manu Manchit Rai to present the award to Aditya Kumar.
All right, I would request Arvind Arora to give this award to Riddhi Jain.
I'd like to request Seema Puri to present the award to Shivam Gupta. Requesting Mr. Manu Manshit Rai to please present Khushi, the next award. Khushi, could we have you on stage? Congratulations. And now we'd like to request Bhavna Singh to present the award to Kajal Paharia.
Next up on stage is an actress. She is a comic influencer. She is known for her relatable, tongue-in-cheek humor. Ladies and gentlemen, let's please welcome Shireen Sivani on stage.
हाय कड़ाके की ठंड हो रखी है वैसे आत्मा जमाने वाली, पर हम तो फैशन इन्फ्लुएंसर हैं, ब्यूटी इन्फ्लुएंसर हैं, हमारे को ठंड थोड़ी लगती है, हमारे अंदर तो फैशन की आग लगी पड़ी है। पर बेटा एक बात मेरे को बताओ, कपड़े तो आप लोगों ने आज सोर्स कर लिए, कल को ठंड लग गई तो शरीर कहाँ से सोर्स करोगे? अच्छा सच सच बताना, अभी तो तुम बन ठन के यहाँ पर आ गए हो, यहाँ आने से पहले कौन कौन अपने कमरे को मिनी सरोजनी नगर बना कर आया? तुम्हारे को तुम्हारे इंस्टाग्राम फॉलोअरों की कसम हाथ उठाओ। और एक तो काले, मैं तो काले कपड़ों से भाई परेशान आ गई। काले 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 काले, तुम सब अपने बाकी रंग के कपड़ों को ऐसे इग्नोर करते हो जैसे तुम्हारी माँ और बुआ एक दूसरे को फैमिली फंक्शन पे करते हैं। मेरे को तो समझ में नहीं आता भाई, तुम्हारा एक्स चला गया, टॉक्सिक था सांप की फितरत का, उसके दिल के कलर के कपड़े तुम क्यों पहन के घूम रहे हो आज भी? मेरे को तो तुम्हारा समझ नहीं आता। छोटे छोटे से थे, लाल पीला, इतनी प्यारी प्यारी फ्रॉकें पहन के पाउडर लगाकर हम इतना सुंदर बना के रखते थे। भैया एक बार जरा फोटो अच्छे से खींच लेना, मेरा सेट अंदर रह गया, एक मिनट। असली है, मेरे को मेरी मम्मी ने दिया था शादी में। भैया फोटो अच्छी खींच लेना, मेरे को व्हाट्सएप कर देना फिर, ठीक है? चलो कंटिन्यू करो। बोलेंगे आंटी बहुत बोलती है।
Social Media Star of the Year. Let's have a look at the nominees, please. And Siddhi, this is a big one. So tell us, who's the winner? Social Media Star of the Year.
Okay, any guesses?
Guys, come on. Woo! I said, and I'll say it again, that it's moments like this that really do make us believe that dreams do come true. And this dream, ladies and gentlemen, was only possible because of NDTV and Who's That 360. They've come together to bring you this one-of-its-kind initiative brought to you, of course, by our special partner, Conquer, home appliance partner, Panasonic, partner, Trigo, marketing partner, Social Wains, energy drink partner, Hustle, gifting partner, Rika X, Mr. Barber, Vero Moda, Jack and Jones, and, of course, supported by Invincible. Time to move on. Shuruaat to hoi gayi hai. So moving on, ladies and gentlemen, I think there's no one here in the house who's not taken some fitness tips or looked at some inspirational video, workout video, or even taken tips on how to have that balanced lifestyle, right? When I think about Kareena Kapoor's organic diet, or of course her sister-in-law Soha Ali Khan's amazing workout videos. I don't know how she does it, right? So these are all about blending the right diet and fitness goals. So our next category is Health Influencer of the Year. To present this award, it's my privilege to invite Mr. Ravi Bhatnagar, Director, External Affairs and Partnerships, Reckitt. Someone truly popular in the house. Welcome, woohoo!
And the award goes to Dr. Siddhant Bhargava.
Woo! Dr. Siddhant Bhargava, and there he is. And now let's move on for the Wellness Influencer for 2023. Nominations, please. And there it is, our Wellness Influencer of the Year, the nominations.
Goes to Gunjan.
Woo! Make some noise! Congratulations, and you look lovely. Thank you and congratulations. Thank you. For the next two awards, it's my privilege to invite to the stage Vaibhav Sehgal, CEO Red Pixels Ventures Limited. So, ladies and gentlemen, this award in this segment is for Digital Creator and Entrepreneur of the Year, a trailblazer who inspires us all to reach new heights. Let's find out who the winner is.
We already have a winner.
The cat is out of the bag. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. So, ladies and gentlemen, coming up, one of our favorites, Fitness Influencer of the Year 2023.
I think this category is very close to my heart. I have been working with most of them closely. And I think the winner is also someone who is very close to me. I really admire his work. Shivoham, please come.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for the one and only Shivoham. So our next award is for Power Duo of the Year 2023.
So the winner is RJ Kisna and Ankita Sehgal.
Woo! Do the honors for our next award, which is Lifestyle Influencer of the Year 2023. And the nominations are...
And the award goes to Nitibha Kaul.
Woo! Nitibha Kaul, ladies and gentlemen.
Our next award for this evening goes to someone who has used storytelling prowess to redefine creativity in a digital-first world. The award for AI Content Creator of the Year.
Kyra.
Well, our next category is Independent Fashion Entrepreneur of the Year.
So, Independent Fashion Entrepreneur of the Year award goes to
Divyansh Kapoor.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you very much for being here. Well, our next category is Crypto Influencer of the Year. And can we please have the nominations?
And the award goes to Sapna Singh.
We'd also like to thank our gifting partner, Rika X, Mr. Barber, Veromuda, and Jack and Jones. Well, our next category is the Metaverse Influencer of the Year.
And the award goes to Navneet Kumar.
Can I please invite Mr. Arvind Arora to please give away the award for the Motivational Speaker of the Year.
And the award goes to Dr. Chandra Das.
Our next category is Celebrity Turned Content Creator.
The award goes to Miss Roshni Chopra.
Well, in fact, हमारे जो next awardee हैं, he is the epitome of luxury. इन्होंने हमको सिखाया है कि लाइफ को कैसे king size जीते हैं. This is the Luxury Influencer of the Year 2023.
Okay, we have Nikki Mehra.
Next winning category, the Fashion Influencer of the Year 2023.
Sakshi.
A huge congratulations to Sakshi Sidhwani.
So, time for us. By the way, the category that we're talking about is Comic Creator of the Year 2023. Let's have a look at the nominees.
Comic Creator of the Year is Dharna Durga.
अब हम अनाउंस करेंगे इस साल का सबसे बड़ा न्यूज मेकर ऑफ द ईयर.
Can we have a look at the nominations? There it is, Newsmaker of the Year, the nominees in the running.
Fukra Insan,
Fukra Insan and Triggered Insan, ladies and gentlemen, winning Newsmaker of the Year. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, our next award category. Time is flying past. This is Content Creator of the Year 2023. The nominations are... Woo! Oh my God, make some noise, guys.
Who
And
is
the
it?
winner is RJ Karishma.
But of course, the one and only RJ Karishma. Woo! Social Media Star of the Year. Let's have a look at the nominees, please. And Siddhi, this is a big one. So tell us, who's the winner? Social Media Star of the Year.
Okay, any guesses?
Guys, come on. Woo!
So he's a liver and he's a winner. Ori, Social Media Star of the Year.
He's a winner! Woo! Yes, of course, Ori, you've got to join us on stage. A Social Media Star of the Year.
So, you know, Ori, everything you do makes news. And, you know, be it your clothes, be it your pose, be it your mobile cover. So, what's the secret sauce?
Whatever you have to do, do it with extreme amounts of confidence. If you have to fail, fail confidently. If you have to die, die confidently. Because if you walk out of the house with a banana dangling off your phone case and you're not confident, it's not going to happen.
Oh my God.
The nation wants to know, who is Ori?
If you asked me this question a year ago, I'd probably answer it so well. But in the last year, 2023, which according to Instagram has been my year, or shared by many, but my year, there are more creators who have done Ori better than I have. There are more commentary Instagrammers who have talked about what I do better than I do it. There are more marketers that have broken down my strategy better than I've broken it down for myself. So, who is Ori? Now even I'm confused who Ori is.
And he just coined a new term outside that we got to know, Orions.
Yeah, my little Oris.
Lovely. Kudos and congratulations. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We should all hold our breath because this is the final category, the final set of categories.
Who's That Influencer 2023? Thanks to NDTV. And Who's That 360? Make some noise!
For the next set of award, let me call upon stage Mr. Santosh Kumar, the Senior Managing Editor, NDTV India. On stage, please.
Let's have a look at the nominations.
and the winner is Sushant.
First of all, thank you so much, NDTV and Who's That 360. I think this is the first time ever that a transgender artist is winning an award in a music category in the open era and in an open category.
Oh my God.
Can we please have on stage Vaibhav and Siddhi to say a few words?
Love
Thank
you,
you, thank
Siddhi.
you. Thanks a lot. I think this award show would not have been possible without the effort of the entire team. There have been people who have been working since 12 last night, So what we see here is a result of the hard work of all these people.
But yes, thank you so much to each one of you who's come here all the way from different places, Bombay, Nagaland, and Chennai. So it means a lot to us. Thank you so much.
This is the first edition, as I said, and we'll be doing many, many more things to come. Master classes, master workshops, reality TV shows, everything is planned. I'm already in talks with most of the people. I have been doing that. I'll do that after this event also. But yeah, many more things to come.
Of Who's Next Influence Awards 2023. It's all happening here, ladies and gentlemen. The magic is being created at NDTV and Who's That 360 presenting Who's Next Influence Awards 2023. A big thank you for everyone for joining us tonight, our first edition. We will remember for a long time. Thank you. Congratulations.
Committed to that cause, it's almost impossible to sustain it because it gets too much. So, yeah.
So, since we couldn't do it on the red carpet, can you tell us a bit about your attire today?
तो जो 5-6 साल बाद का जो गैप है ना, वो एक्चुअली में आपको काफ़ी पीछे लेके आएगा. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर दो दोस्त हैं, इन द लॉन्ग रन कंपाउंडिंग का बेनिफिट नहीं मिल पाएगा. शॉर्ट में कहूँ तो.
What do you think about the GTA 6 trailer?
The graphics and everything are like next level. If they make something they are like showing in trailer, so it's going to be it is like going to be the greatest game anyways. But वो next level हो जाएगा अगर उनने जो दिखाया है वो दे दिया तो.
Name 5 games that you would never want to play.
Never want to play.
Yes.
Honestly speaking, as a gamer, there are no games that I don't want to play. I want to try everything. Maybe after trying, I don't want to play. That is another thing.
Okay. PS5, Xbox Series X, or PC? What is your preference?
Computer any day. I've never ever owned a console, to be honest. I have one this Nintendo Switch and a DS and a Game Boy. But वो फिर वो थोड़ा feel किया because Pokemon and everything is not on PC or anything ना. बस consoles में तो any day computer is superior.
Hello, so we have Nitibha call with us, exclusively speaking on Who's That 360 in NDTV. Hi Nitibha, welcome.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Thanks for doing this. So you know Nitibha, everybody is making content these days. So what it take to stay relevant among all this chaos?
I think 2 C's, commitment and consistency. Because, it looks all glam from the outside, but when you actually step into the world of content creation, you realize it's a 24/7 job. And unless you're consistent and committed to that cause, it's almost impossible to sustain it because it gets too much. So,
Hi Neha. So, what routine would you recommend to somebody who has just started to earn?
तो whenever you start earning, तो सबसे पहले you need to make your financial plan. जैसे अभी आपने स्टार्ट किया है अर्न करना, तो कितना आपका अर्निंग्स है, कितना आपका करंट एक्सपेंसेस है, एंड देन आपके फाइनेंशियल गोल्स क्या है. आप 2 साल बाद गाड़ी लेना चाहते हो, 5 साल बाद घर, 10 साल बाद आप पेरेंट्स का रिटायरमेंट प्लान करने वाले हो, तो मेक इट अ प्लान प्रॉपर एंड उसके अकॉर्डिंगली आप हर महीने का कितना सेव करना है, कितना स्पेंड करना है, प्लान करें सो दैट फ्यूचर आपका थोड़ा सिक्योर हो जाए.
What are the usual mistakes that investors make?
नॉट स्टार्टिंग अर्ली. हम सोचते बाद में करेंगे. अर्न करना आज चालू किया है, इन्वेस्टिंग हम 5-6 साल बाद कर रहे हैं. तो जो 5-6 साल बाद का जो गैप है ना, वो एक्चुअली में आपको काफ़ी पीछे लेके आएगा. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर 2 दोस्त हैं, इन द लॉन्ग रन कंपाउंडिंग का बेनिफिट नहीं मिल पाएगा. शॉर्ट में कहूँ तो.
What is your backstory? How did you end up, into financial influencing?
Yeah, okay. So I was trying for chartered accountancy course, जो मेरा काफ़ी बीच में छूट गया था, क्लियर नहीं हुए थे. But then I come from a conservative background. तो जब इतनी बार फेल होते हैं तो फैमिली को लगता है शादी कर दे, तो मैंने फिर MBA कर लिया कि चलो बच गए, शादी से तो बच गए. वहाँ पे जॉब मिली मेरे को वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट में. तो आई यूज़ टू मैनेज फंड्स फॉर इन्वेस्टर्स, राइट, जो HNI सेगमेंट होता है उनका. एंड देन लॉकडाउन आया. लॉकडाउन में फिर हम सब घर बैठे हुए थे, सब कुछ ना कुछ एक्सप्लोर कर रहे थे. मुझे फाइनेंस ही आता था, मेरा बैकग्राउंड ही वही रहा है. तो जब मैं एक्सप्लोर कर रही थी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स को, तो 99.9% जो कंटेंट था दैट वाज अराउंड एंटरटेनमेंट, कॉमेडी, डांस, म्यूजिक, राइट? तो मैंने कहा मेरे को तो भाई यही आता है, मैं तो यही बना सकती हूँ. तो दैट्स हाउ आई स्टार्टेड. मेरी पहली दूसरी वीडियो ही हिट हो गई थी और दैट्स हाउ मतलब मेरी ये पूरी जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई.
Hello, so we have our guest Abhishek and Nishchay with us, who are exclusively speaking on Who's That 360 NDTV. Welcome, guys. Thanks for doing this.
Thank you so much for inviting
So, guys, everybody is creating content these days. Everybody is trying to be in the race. What does it take to stay relevant?
What does it take to stay relevant? I think the connect with the audience is what matters the most. क्योंकि you can make 4 videos जिस पे you can get views, but उसका कोई फायदा नहीं होगा क्योंकि 5वीं या 6ठी वीडियो के बाद कभी ना कभी ऐसा होगा कि लोग देखना बंद कर देंगे. एंड वो 5वीं, 6ठी, 7वीं, 8वीं उसके बाद सारी वीडियोस वो देखेंगे. उसके लिए एक सिंपल चीज़ है कि पीपल स्टार्ट लाइकिंग यू फॉर व्हाट यू आर एंड दे कनेक्ट विद यू. तो रिलेटिविलिटी भी कहीं ना कहीं इंपॉर्टेंट है. आई थिंक
मेरे को वैसे एक्चुअली बिल्कुल सेम ही लगता है कि जैसे पर्सनल कनेक्ट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट कहीं ना कहीं मैं उस फंडा पे भी काम करता हूँ कि आई फील क्रिएटिंग न्यू कंटेंट एंड लाइक पुशिंग योरसेल्फ, आपकी लिमिट्स को टेस्ट करना एंड like surprising the audience every time with your like every new video that you release is something that I feel is very important to like push the numbers, stay relevant and just grow in long.
Hello, so we have very eminent personality Dr. Vrindavan Chandradas with us, exclusively speaking on Who's That 360 NDTV. Welcome, sir. So,
thank you.
You know, my first question is, everyone has a different definition of bhakti, spirituality. So what is bhakti according to you?
Actually, spirituality, first, I think so I'll answer your second part of your question, that is spirituality. The word spirituality in itself answers the question. It is made of 2 words. One is called spirit, other is rituality. So spirit means, in our Vedic system, it means Atma, soul. The rituals connected with the soul is known as spirituality. But actually, the word spirituality does not define spirituality as such wholly. In Sanskrit, we call it Adhyatma. So, in the Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna has asked this question to Lord Shri Krishna, that what is Adhyatma? What is spirituality? So, Lord Shri Krishna replies in the 8th chapter, he says that Adhyatma is the nature of the soul. So, spirituality is actually the study of the soul, the progress of the soul, and religion is something which is connected with the body. So that is a big, huge difference. And in the body, the mind is also a part of the body. It is not the part of the mind, of the soul. The Atman is different and the body is different. So this is what spirituality has been defined in. And bhakti is what the soul should be doing. So now spirituality, Adhyatma is something, the nature of the soul is to perform bhakti. And what is bhakti? Bhakti means that you are actually obeying the orders of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Shri Krishna or Shri Ramji. When you follow their orders, then it is considered as bhakti. And when you ask the Lord to follow your orders, it is known as chamchagiri. So better become a devotee than to become a chamcha.
So, what routine would you recommend to somebody like me?
Somebody like you, मतलब जो जिसने कभी मतलब जिम किया ही नहीं या जो जिम करता था पर ब्रेक लिया है करना चाहता
ब्रेक लिया है,
तो जैसे पहले आपने किया था, start slow, start something with very basic and slowly move on. तो जब मैं अपने क्लाइंट से बोलता हूँ तो मैं बोलता हूँ कि 3 चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एक है आपका टेक्निक और फॉर्म जो कम वॉट में हैज टू बी परफेक्ट. दूसरा है कंसिस्टेंसी. कंसिस्टेंसी का मतलब ये कि अगर मैं आपको 100 रेप दूं बाइसेप कर्ल सपोज, तो आपका फर्स्ट रेप और लास्ट रेप लुक्स एग्जैक्टली द सेम. अभी एक बार वो कंसिस्टेंसी आ गई, नाउ यू कैन स्टार्ट एडिंग द इंटेंसिटी. यू कैन स्टार्ट एडिंग द वेट्स, यू कैन डू मोर रेपिटेशंस, यू कैन डू मोर वेरिएशंस, बट टिल देन try to keep it as simple because body में एक habit बनाना बहुत जरूरी है उस movement का. आप जितनी जल्दी उस movement की habit बनाओगे, वो movement और भी perfect होते जाएगा and then begin. और बाकी तो then it's a slow process of keep moving, but start small, start basic, start simple.
Okay. How was the animal training regime like?
we spoke a little bit about it before also, and I'm at liberty to speak very little about it because the team is still planning on something bigger. But it was a long process which went on over for a year, because right from the previous movie, from Tu Jhuti Main Makar to Animal, it was a complete
drastic
transformation.
change. Yeah.
And for that change to happen, I believe that a crash diet, a crash training routine doesn't work.
Yeah.
Because आप जितनी जल्दी उसे अचीव करोगे उतनी जल्दी वो स्क्वायर वन पे चला जाएगा. So we had to do it in such a way that every time we improve the body, for that it's a new normal. So the body adapts to it, it stays at that, and then we move on. So it was a slow process, but it was a very exciting, very I won't say challenging, but a very you can say it was kind of a spiritual process, because you get to know the person, what works, what doesn't work. You get to think about it. ये काम करेगा, शायद ये नहीं काम करेगा. Diet में ये थोड़ी changes लाते. So it's a lot of thought that goes into it, and a lot of contemplation that goes into it, and it was absolutely amazing.
So, what is your take on people idealizing actors to get into a certain physique?
Not everyone can get that motivation from within.
Yeah.
For a lot of people, they try to find it outside. And for a lot of people, actors, cricketers, celebrities play a very important role in that aspect, whether it's from a physical body perspective, whether it's from a sport perspective, whether it's from name or fame or whatever you call it. But one thing people should understand when it comes to making a body, whether it's a Tiger Shroff, whether it's Ranbir Kapoor, whether it's Ranveer Singh, they are doing only that.
Exactly.
It's for a role. They are an actor. They're not a bodybuilder. They need to do it for that role. They take a break for that role. They've got all the freedom and luxuries to help them achieve that goal. For a normal person, he has to wake up in the morning, he has to go to work, he's got family responsibilities, he's got social responsibilities. It is not always going to be possible. Idolize them, no problem, that's a great thing to do. But don't try to live like them, because that will not happen.
Exactly.
So, yeah.
Okay. Firstly, congratulations.
Thank you
for the award.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.